Alright guys, back working on my motorhome here. This is my Class A motorhome. This is a Thor Hurricane 34J. It's 2018. It has a gas generator. Here's the gas exhaust pipe that sticks out the side. Down there I have a chrome. This is for the engine exhaust pipe. I swapped that over for a chrome one. I want to get a chrome one on this one because it looks, as you can see, it just looks kind of corroded up. Doesn't look very good. So I found this on Amazon. This is the Gibson. It's a 1.5 inch slip-on exhaust with the, just bolt on, slip on, and then a bolt down, and it has the turn down tip, so it will, I think it'll look pretty good here. So 1.5. This is the outer diameter of the existing pipe. This has the Onan 5500 gas generator, and the outer diameter is 1.5 inches. So you see how that just slips on, but it only slips on to right there. It's bulged out right there. So you see if I just slip that on, way too long. So what I have to do is I have to cut it back to basically see how far I want to cut it back here. I need to cut this back. I measure about right there, cut it back, and I can slip it on there. I'm going to take this clamp off, and I think what I'll do while I have it off, I think I'll paint it so that way doesn't look all weathered. So I'll take the clamp off, cut it back to about right there, and I'll be able to just slip this new exhaust pipe on, exhaust tip. I think it'll look pretty good. Now I just prepped this surface for the paint, just got it cleaned off and just painting it with this Rust-Oleum black paint. This will just make this look a little bit better, and I measured this, got exactly where I wanted it, and used an angle grinder with a cutoff blade to cut it off. I probably should have used a reciprocating saw with a metal cutoff blade. That would have probably made a straighter cut. I had to clean up the cut a little bit with the angle grinder to get it straight. And then I use this file to file down the edges, so that way there's no sharp edges and nothing protruding that's going to prevent the exhaust tip to slip on the edge. Now the exhaust pipe slipped on very easily. No issues or problems there. Slipped on very easily and was able to get it right where I wanted to. Adjusted it straight down, make sure it was nice and level to the ground. Then I just got my exhaust hanger piece here. I actually used the heat gun to dry the paint a little faster so I could use it. And then this takes a 1/2 inch socket I use to tighten down the exhaust clamp, so it tightens it down. And then I just put my clamp on here with the bolts. Again, I use the 13mm nuts to tighten those down. So it's using the existing exhaust hanger and clamp to clamp this tip into place. You can see here I cut off about 5 inches of exhaust pipe. That put the tip sticking out about the same amount as the factory one. And then here's a finished product of it. You can see how it looks. Just sticks out a little bit. That nice turn down tip looks really good. The polished aluminum really looks good. So I think this is going to be a great improvement for this RV. Anyways guys, well thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. I'll leave a link to this product down below, as well as all the other RV videos for this specific RV that I'm doing. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.